Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Dataverse Security Role, what is the role hierarchy, and some common question and answers, okay, along with the best practice. So firstly, let's understand what is a security role or what is a Dataverse security role. So security role is basically the ability or the privileges which can be assigned to user to perform certain actions. So, for example, if I talk about a SharePoint administrator, so SharePoint administrator is basically responsible for controlling and managing the complete SharePoint environment. If I compare it with just a single site owner, so site owner is just basically responsible for managing that particular site. Site owner is not responsible what is happening on the other sites. They are only just accountable for one particular site which they are owner of. However, as compared to site admin, they have a large area to look on. Okay, so the same thing applies in data or security roles. So security role can be assigned to users or group of users or teams so that they can perform certain actions like managing the environment, creating applications in the environment, and then they can assign security roles to the users like basic roles, which will allow users to add entries into the application. They will be able to add applications and create records and multiple sort of things. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Data or security role is just basically allow you that what actions you can perform in the environment. Okay, now why do we need it? Because we just want that the only responsible users or only responsible admins will be able to manage the complete environment, it maintain the sustainability and protectivity of the complete environment. That is why we need security roles, because we cannot allow users to make changes into the environment even if they are not supposed to, or they are not aware of what are the changes they are going to make. So that is why we have admin, so that they can protect the environment from unhappenings. Okay. Now, how many types of security roles are there? So basically, there are three or maybe four types of security roles are present actually. First is out of the box, which is system admin, basic users, environment maker, standard role, etc. Okay, I'll show you what the roles are, how we can assign them. Okay, and in fact, I will also show you how we can create one if we need. Okay, so that the other point is custom role. If you have multiple roles available and none of the security roles suffice your need, you can create your own custom role and assign to the users. And then we have environment maker role or Dataverse maker role, wherein you can create multiple environments. So environment as in, suppose you are a company and you want to test something, but you want to test things into a test environment so that you will be able to eliminate all the cons of the implementations in the test environment only, because you do not want to touch the production environment and does not want the productivity to be hampered. So that is where you can create your own environment, test environment, create the applications or add the users, make changes to the application or the environment, play around it, and take the outcome, note everything. Okay. Once you are satisfied with the outcome, then only apply the things in the production environment. Okay. Then we have roles assigned to the users. So a single user can be a part of multiple administrative roles or security roles. You can say that single user can be part of basic roles, system admin role, environment maker role, or security creation roles. So the user can be part of multiple roles, and like vice versa for teams. So users can be part of multiple teams, and multiple teams can be part of multiple security roles. So it's kind of a multiverse of roles. Okay. I hope this hierarchy of security role is that first it's on the organization level, or you can say environmental level. So you can have multiple security roles in environment. Then you can have business units. In environments, you can create multiple departments. That is called business unit. Then you can create a security role for admins and then for the users. So this is how the security role flow is. Okay. So these are some common practices. I'll share the PPT with you so that you can have it for reference. And now let's look into the practical that how we can access the Dataverse security roles or security roles in short. So first thing first, we need to know how to access the security roles and from where we can access it. So there are multiple ways to access it. First, I'll click on Power Apps. So this is one of the ways we can access the security roles, right? I clicked on Power Apps. It is loading right now. I'll just quickly pause the video. Okay, so this Power App is loaded up now. I click on this gear icon. I click on this Admin Center, and then I will be able to access to the Power Platform Admin Center. So this Admin Center is basically the Admin Center for all the applications like Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Agents, and every application or every platform related to Power Platforms. Okay. So now in here, we need to click on this gear icon once again. We'll go to Power Platform settings because we'll have to access the environment. Like I said earlier, that you can have multiple environments for testing and productions. You can create multiple environments. You like just click on new, create the environment, okay, and then you are good. So by default, I have this one environment. I will click on it. Okay. So this is how I can access the environment and okay. So it will show you the list of the security roles you have. So by default, you have environment maker, okay, and the administrators get system administrators. So this is one system administrator. This is basically assigned to the admins only, and environment maker is basically the by default one which get assigned to any users. Okay. Now, if you want to know more about it, so what you can do is just click on this learn more. It will open the article for all the environment security rules which is available and how you can modify and create ones, right? And if I just come back here, this environment, and I click on this user section, I click on see all. Okay. So this will show me all the users. Click on this one. This is my username. Okay. I can see that this is approval user security role is assigned system administrator, basic user, and one more. I will click on managed role and then I will be able to see which role is assigned to this user. Approval user, basic user, okay, environment maker, like I mentioned, that uh, every user get environment maker role. I also have the system administrator because I am the administrator for this particular environment. And if I check the same for other users, like one support user, I just click on it and I will be able to see what all the roles is assigned to it. It just has support user. Okay. So this is how you check the roles and everything. And I'll tell you that other way how you can access the admin center. Okay, so this was the one way to access the admin center. Now let me show you the other way as well. Opened up on the left hand side. So you see Power Platform is showing there. I will click on Power Platform and this will open up the admin center for Power Platform. So like I mentioned earlier that it is the common platform or common admin center for Power Apps, for virtual agents, okay, Power Pages, and then Power Automate. So it is basically the common admin center for every applications related to Power Platform. And let's click on the gear icon again. Let's click on Power Platform settings, right? Environments. And then I will select my environment, which I have, right? So from the right hand side, we can see the security roles and everything. And from here, users, I can see which user has which access on which user is which administrative, right? I was checking for this one, support user security roles. Okay, so I just click on it, and basic user, you can see that it is assigned, and then environment. But the user will not be able to manage it like share environment to the others and everything. Every environment is a different entity. So whatever security role this user has in this environment, the user will not have the same security role in the other environment. So these are two different entities. Okay, that is for today's video, and I hope you will like it. In the next video, we'll show you how to create a security role and how to add a user to a security. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and have a lovely day.